Hi dear Virgo, I hope you guys are doing really well, and this is a general reading for 2021. So let's quickly see what your 2021 holds for the whole year. Okay, so for January what we can see is 8 of Swords. What it feels to me is that you are kind of dealing with a legal battle maybe, or some of you might be in jail even. It can also be possible, or maybe if it is not a jail, if it is not a legal battle that you are going through, then it is kind of inner jail that you are feeling. You are feeling trapped from inside. You are feeling that I have nowhere to go. I am not able to understand what is happening with my life. I am trapped in a situation. I am trapped in this universe. I am not feeling good at all. But you know what, you can come out of this situation very quickly, Virgo, if you feel like yes, if you feel determined, if you feel positive, if you feel like yes, I have to change my life, then you can come out of this situation really well, because the blindfold, he can easily remove the blindfold, and the rope around him, the chain around him, he can also break the chain, break this rope, and come out of this situation and come out of this jail really quickly if he is determined to do it. Okay, so it is kind of energy, Virgo, that I'm picking for you in the month of January. So you are trapped in your own thoughts, own jail, own things, but you can come out of this situation quickly if you want to. In Feb 2021, it is King of Pentacles. It is kind of stability. It is kind of, might be there is something that has come to completion, some project or some business venture or something like that, and finally you are getting the reward of your hard work. You are feeling abundant and prosperous. You are feeling happy financially. Financial stability is coming to you in Feb 2021, and that is because of your hard work, and you are now able to just sit and relax and have some fun in your life. Finally, this is what your hard work did to you. Okay, this is kind of energy what I'm picking for you in Feb 2021. In March, it is Ace of Wands energy. You are feeling very passionate about something in your life. You are creating a new job opportunity, new business, or something new in your life that is going to make you feel like yes, that is what I wanted to do from a very long time, and that is finally coming to in March 2021. You are starting a new business, new venture, new job. There is some kind of new energies coming. You are very passionate about that particular energy. You are feeling very good about that particular energy. New beginning in your life is coming from March 2021. You have to take this opportunity. This is going to change your life. Okay, and in April, the World card is there. You might be traveling a lot because of this new opportunity that came to you in March. You might be traveling a lot. You might be traveling around the world for this particular thing, or you might be traveling just for fun, just for vacation. You are taking a break from your things. That can also be related to completion of a cycle in your life. Maybe there is something that is no longer serving you, or that served its purpose in your life, and that is ending now. It can be anything. It can be anything, Virgo. So this is, you have to analyze for yourself that what that thing is that is going to complete in your life, that is going to complete a particular cycle in your life. And then apart from that, this means travel related to work. What I can see is, if the work that you started in March requires a lot of energy, lot of travel, lot of things to do around the world, so you are doing that. Okay, in April, it was in April. Okay, in April you were doing this traveling and all. In May, Temperance card is there. Emotional balance is required. It is highly required. So what I can feel you is your relationship is not going really well, and you are not able to manage the professional and personal life separately. So you are not able to balance out professional and personal life. That is required in May. Otherwise, what I can say is, otherwise your personal life will suffer. Okay, if you are not able to handle this situation from the very start, it is going to create some kind of trouble in your life, personal life, what I can say. So you have to take care of this thing. You have to serve balance between your personal and professional life in May. Okay, that is what is required in May. In June, this is the King of Swords energy. So what you are doing in June is, you are cutting out negative people, toxicity, toxic environment, or the people that you are no longer in mood of hanging with, or maybe this is kind of energy. The King of Swords is a very stable, very intelligent person, and he uses his logical mind. He's not using his heart. He is using his logical mind to take decisions in his life. So what you are doing in June is this kind of energy. You are using your logical mind to proceed further in your life, and that is helping you to come out of a very painful zone or very painful area. So it is kind of helping you, because you are cutting out a lot of people from your environment in June 2021. So the Tower moment is also there in July. The Tower moment is kind of breakup thing. It can also be a breakup. It can also be something, some friendship that is coming to an end, because that friendship was no longer serving you. So that relationship breaks suddenly. But the Tower moment is kind of shocking news to you. It is not like shocking is like a heart attack kind of shocking thing. But yes, it is somewhat shocking to you. But don't worry about this thing. The Tower is a very beautiful thing, because what it suggests to us is, if there is something that came to an end, then there is something that is coming to your life. I mean, there is a new beginning after this Tower moment. After this particular Tower moment, you are going to realize who you really deserve in your life, who you really deserve to be in your life, and who you really deserve whom you want to make, I'm not getting the exact word, but what I mean to say is, this Tower moment will create a happy environment around you in the long run. It might hurt you for that time being, but that is going to help you a lot in your, growth, personal growth in your life. Okay. In August, what we can see is, this is the Eight of Cups energy. So you are walking away. You are definitely walking away from an emotional situation, from a relationship that is no longer serving you. Or you might be feeling, no, this is not the relationship for me. This is not giving me happiness. This is just giving me pain. Or else it is kind of energy that this emotional relationship, or whatever it is, the attachment, or whatever it was, a friendship or whatever it was, it served its purpose in your life. Now you are no longer interested in that particular relationship or friendship. Now you are walking away from that situation, and you are finding your own way in a different direction from this particular person or thing. Okay, so this is what is happening to you in August. In September, what is happening with you is Three of Wands. So this is the energy that you're waiting for something very eagerly, and that waiting is over, and finally the results are coming to you in this. Okay, in this, just give me a second. September. So yeah. So September, yeah. So in September, this Three of Wands energy is suggesting me that there is something that is coming to an end, and the results are coming positive, that you were waiting for. You were waiting for something or someone to come into your life. They might or might not come, but the result is going to be very, very happy for you in the long run. So it is kind of energy, Virgo. What I'm feeling for 2021 for you guys is that you are learning lots of life lessons in 2021, and that is going to transform you into something better for your future. Okay, so you don't have to worry about this. Transformation is never easy. I always says that, but transformation takes you to the place where the universe wants you to be. Okay, so this is kind of energy that is in September. Okay, I always forget the month. I'm so sorry about that. So in September, there is something that is coming to your life that you are waiting from a long time, or maybe you are turning your back. Maybe you are turning your back to the particular relationship that is coming back to your life, but you are turning your back to that person again because you don't want her or him in your life. But what I suggest you is, please take a step back. Please analyze everything before judging or before doing this kind of decision in your life. Otherwise, maybe you are going to miss that person, or maybe you are going to miss the opportunity if you are not analyzing. I'm not saying just to keep them in your life, but analyze everything, then do whatever you want in your life. Okay, so in October, what we can say is the Hanged Man. You are not doing anything. You are in your own zone, in your own den. What we can say, you are in your own shell. Spiritual awakening type of system is also there. There is kind of stillness in your life. There is nothing happening in your life. You're not going in that direction. You're not going in that direction. You are in the center, trying to center everything, trying to balance everything in your life. And for that thing, for balancing out everything in your life. What you are doing is you are doing nothing. You are just still, you are just watching everything from a distance, and yeah, okay, you're analyzing everything, and you are like, okay, whatever is happening, let the shit happen, and I'll take care of that shit afterwards, but right now I need peace of mind, I need rest. So that's what you are doing in October. In November, it is the Two of Swords energy. So in November, what I can feel is you are on the crossroads of making a decision, or you are analyzing again the decision that you took in the past, or there are two options in your life that you are not able to understand which road to go, which crossroad. When you are on the crossroads now, Virgo, so you don't understand which way to go, because both ways looks good enough for you, okay, but you have to choose one direction to proceed further in life. So there is choices that is coming to in November, that you have to make a choice very, very, efficiently, and take a firm decision. Otherwise you are going to feel drained, or you are going to feel negative about this thing. So you have to take a decision in November. In December, this is a very beautiful energy, Page of Pentacles. Your year is ending on the Page of Pentacles energy. It is kind of childish energy. You are starting something new in your life, and what I can feel is this is the start of a new business venture, or you can say as a relationship as well. You don't know what is happening after this thing. You don't know what is happening after this beginning, but you are taking a leap of faith. You are taking your first step towards something, and that is going to create a happy environment in the long run, okay. So this is the reading for Virgos for 2021. Let's quickly see what angels want to say to you in 2021. What is the messages? What is the message for Virgos for year 2021, please? I'll pull 3 cards for you guys for this angel answers, okay. Let's quickly see. Helpful people around you, and within the next few weeks, look for a sign. There will be helpful people around you in 2021, and within the next few weeks there is something better coming for you guys, Virgo. Within the next few weeks, maybe from the start of 2021, there's something good coming to you guys, okay. Like, mark my words, there is something that is coming good to you. I'm so sorry for the fumbling. So in the next few weeks, there is something good coming to your life. That is what I want to tell you guys, okay. So look for a sign. If you are waiting for something, look for a sign. You will get a sign from the universe for sure. It can be in written form, it can be like in audio form or something. You will definitely get a sign from the universe, and there is helpful people around. Take help from people around you. Take help from your friends or something, okay. So let's see the overall energy for your career in 2021. Okay, let's see. King of Wands energy is there. So you will be able to establish a stable career for yourself in 2021, Virgo. This is what I'm getting for this 2021 energy for your career. For relationship, what we can say is the hermit mode is there. In the relationship, the hermit mode is there. You are going to feel lonely, or somewhat you will isolate yourself from a particular relationship or person. Maybe you are not in the mood of of commitment, or long-term commitment, or marriage, or something like that. So you are going to feel a little lonely, or maybe sad, you can say, but you will eventually come out of this situation. You are lighting your own lamp in 2021, lighting your own life in 2021 according to these cards, and in the relationship area. So yeah, and let's see your health in 2021 in general. Okay, this is 7 of wands. So your health is going to be okay if you are going to take care of yourself first before others, okay. So this is the reading for you guys for 2021. I hope you like it. If you like it, do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much, and subscribe to my channel, share with your friends as well. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste. Namaste.